Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this update we are going to talk about Chainlink. And if you remember, in the previous video we were right around this area, and the idea was that maybe this is going to be like a 1 2 3 4 5, and then we said you need to pay attention to the next move, because if we get a very strong move up in order to get a break out of this important ascending channel, that could be a great sign indicating maybe the final low in Chainlink is already in. So what happened? Not only we didn't get a breakout of the channel, we actually got a breakdown. But should we right now be completely bearish and say in Chainlink we are going to have a very strong move in order to take the lowest low down here about $11.9? At the moment, I don't really think so. I mean, that's fair. Look, number one, we have got a break of the channel. That's a bearish sign. Number two, now that in this phase down in Chainlink, we have taken these lows right in here, finding an impulse is going to be extremely challenging. So I fully understand that these are not necessarily optimistic signs, but I don't think that we should be like 100% bearish. Why? Because number one, there is no certainty in any market. We are only talking about the probabilities. And number two, I think soon in Chainlink we're gonna have a move up, and here is why. Let's zoom in more. Okay, so let's just adjust the waves in here. This was our wave 4, this is our wave 5, and starting from this point right in here, I think we can safely assume that this is a 1, correction for 2, and then big move down into wave 3, correction for 4, and another move on the downside into wave 5. Now, on a higher degree, because this last leg down is kind of a strong move, I think we can say, you know what, maybe this is going to be like a 1 2 3, and what's going to happen next? Maybe we're going to have a slow and choppy move in order to have a pullback to the lower band of this region about $14, and then one more move down into our wave 5. And in terms of the targets, we can actually reach to about the higher band of this region around $12.8. So far, I said we may see another move down in Chainlink. But why did I say earlier that we are going to have a move up? Because what happens after a 1 2 3 4 5 wave down? You know it, some sort of a move up, and this is important, some sort of a move. I cannot at the moment tell you what the shape of that move is going to look like. I just can say we are going to have a move on the upside nonetheless, and you need to pay attention to the shape of the move. If we get a very strong move like a 1 2 3 4 5 in order to get back above this important region, which the higher band of it is about $15.50, and then we manage to stay above it and do some consolidation and we get one more move down, that can be an excellent sign suggesting the bulls are still alive in Chainlink in the short term. On the other hand, what you do not want to see is a short-term consolidation pattern, or maybe like a very slow and choppy move on the upside, which in it we are constantly having overlapping of the waves between our pullbacks. Why is that? Because this is a very bad sign, and it's a characteristic of a corrective movement, indicating that after this is over, we may see at least another move down in Chainlink, and at that point, who knows, maybe we are even going to take the lowest low down here about, let's say, $11.9. So for now, let's see a move up in Chainlink, but before that, I think there is a chance that we may do something like this, and then you need to pay full attention to the shape of this move. That is the key for you. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Chainlink. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.